In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive settings redesign in Windows 11. If you use OneDrive to sync files, back up important folders, or keep your documents available across devices, the redesign settings layout in Windows 11 makes those options easier to find and manage. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what each section is used for, so you can confidently adjust your preferences. To get started, look at the Windows taskbar and click the OneDrive Cloud icon. This is the quickest way to access OneDrive controls without opening File Explorer or the web app. If you don't immediately see the icon, you may need to check the system tray area where hidden icons appear. Once the OneDrive menu opens, click the Settings gear icon. From there, select Settings. This will open the redesigned OneDrive settings window where the main options are now grouped into clear tabs. The new layout is more organized, which makes it easier to find the controls you need. Now use the tabs in the settings window to manage your preferences. In the Sync and Backup tab, you can manage folder backup, camera upload options, and other sync-related settings. This is the area to review if you want to make sure important folders are being protected, or if you want to fine-tune how OneDrive handles syncing on your device. Next, open the Account tab. Here you can view your account information, check storage-related details, and unlink your PC if needed. This section is especially useful if you want to confirm which account is connected or make changes to how this computer is associated with OneDrive. Then, go to the Notifications tab. This is where you control OneDrive alerts and reminders. If you prefer fewer pop-ups or want to stay informed about sync activity, this tab lets you adjust those notification preferences to better match how you work. After that, check the About tab. This section shows your OneDrive version and other general information. It's a helpful place to look if you want to confirm that your app is up to date or if you're troubleshooting and need version details. Once you've reviewed the available tabs, make any changes you want. OneDrive saves your settings automatically, so there's no need to look for a separate save button. That makes the process quick and straightforward, especially when you're adjusting multiple preferences. And that's it. You now know how to open and use the redesigned OneDrive settings in Windows 11, and you're ready to manage sync, backup, account, notifications, and app information more efficiently.